Hello, welcome to Online Q's, the YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I will show you how IGTV works. So the first thing is you would have to download it for your mobile phone on Play Store or the App Store. It's free for download. Now IGTV is a video uploading platform created by Instagram where you can upload and watch longer videos than you usually do on Instagram, and this is quite targeted for mobile phone users so that you can create more video contents to be posted to the Instagram platform, or basically be creative, I guess. And then people who are quite popular on Instagram can kind of upload videos that are longer than other people's. You can upload up to 60 minutes on this IGTV platform. So once you install this IGTV, you can kind of conjoin your Instagram account. Basically you'll be asked to sign in with your Instagram account to be able to use IGTV. So it's a great video uploading platform for people who wants to be influencers on Instagram or already influencers on Instagram. So you can see it's quite big in size, almost as big as Instagram. It's gonna take a while to be installed, so on this list here you can see there are other similar icons, apps like IGTV, where you can upload videos, like TikTok, which is a very good platform, and Snapchat, which is also very popular, and a lot of Instagram influencers are also using it right now. So once this appears, you can click on login using Instagram. So just type in your username or your password, or if your Instagram is joined with your Facebook account, you can do this as well, which I'm gonna do because it's so much easier, because I don't have to type in my password and my username at all. So now you can search for videos you want to watch, for videos of the people that you're following. Like for example, I'm following Victoria's Secret on Instagram, so there's a longer videos.
Hi, my name's Harriet Paul. I'm from Tanzania.
Or you can search for
like a person who's hairy.
popular videos on IGTV. And now you can also create your own channel. So do this, create your own channel, click on next, and click on next, and then create channels.
My first job was for Italian Vogue.
So what you do is,
but it was really hard because I was.
so now you can go ahead and upload videos. From IGTV to your followers. So click on next, and then gaming at its best for title. So description, pause find out. Make visible on Facebook page. That is only if you have a Facebook page. So once this is all done, now you can click
14, I didn't know how to
on
model, I
post.
didn't know how to walk in heels. And I got on set and everyone was like, where did you guys find her? What is going on?
He just made Bailey disappear.
So it takes quite some time to upload your video on IGTV. This depends on your internet speed. My internet speed isn't that optim, so it's kind of slow, so it's downloading on its own. So now it's uploaded and now you can watch it. So this is how you basically download the app, and log into the app, create a channel, watch your favorite videos, and as you can see, it will show on your Instagram itself how many videos that you have uploaded on your IGTV. So you can also delete it from here, I guess, if you wish to. Click here and delete, and that's how you basically use IGTV on your mobile phone. This is free for Android and Apple phones, so basically download it, use it to create video contents, to watch video contents, to kind of be more creative on IGTV, Instagram, and all that. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my channel.